Hi guys and welcome to the channel. So my name's Al and I've been cooking barbecue for more years than I care to remember. But the thing I love to do to share my knowledge and my passion with you guys. What I'm going to show you in today's video is how to smoke a spatchcock chicken. And this chicken is amazing. It's going to be the most juiciest, succulent, most flavoursome chicken you've ever had in your life. So enough of this introduction, let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do with this chicken is to spatchcock it. So spatchcocking is basically a method where you take the backbone out and then flatten the chicken out, and basically it allows it to cook evenly because you haven't got a massive void in the middle. So you get a strong pair of shears, and then like I'm doing here, you cut the backbone out. You're going to have to crunch through a few bones here, but it's actually not too bad. As long as you've got a decent pair of shears, you should be able to get through it. So first of all, we'll do one side, and then we just do exactly the same to the other side. So once we remove that, it's time to flip the bird over, and using the palm of your hand, just push down in between the breasts, and what that does is flatten the chicken out. And it's time to get a good quality extra virgin oil, and basically you're just going to pour a bit on the back of that, and then using your hand to spread that all around, get a nice decent coating all over the chicken. So a little trick here, make sure you've got more than one pair of gloves on, and you can just peel one off, nice and easy. So today I'm going to season this with Fool's Gold, and this is Angus and Oink. And we're going to give this a really heavy application because you're just sneezing in the outside of the bird. Make sure you get all the nooks and crannies all around the wings, and then just flip it over and do the same on the inside as well. And it's time to put this to one side while we do the sweet corn. So with sweet corn you need a square of tin foil, then you get a nice decent helping of butter and just spread that all over the corn. Try and get a nice distribution there if you can. And I'm going to season these with the barbecue rub from Malcolm Reed. Again, just get a really nice application all over the corn. And then what you want to do is wrap this up nice and tight, and when you fold the end, just twist those round and then fold them on top so it's on top of the seam. I'm running the Traeger at 375 today, and the chicken I'm just going to put straight in the middle of the grill, and then the corn I'm just going to put to one side. Now because it's chicken, I'm going to put a meter probe in because we need to make sure the internal temperature of this is 165. So it's been an hour and 20 minutes and it's time to take this out. It's 165, and look at the colour on that, it looks gorgeous, it smells stunning. Now to make carving nice and easy, I'm just going to slice down the side of the backbone and then do an incision on the bottom. You can see that cold breast comes off really nice and easy, and look how juicy and tender it is. You can actually see the moisture just dripping out. Look at that, oh my god, that is so good, love it. So thanks for watching the video today guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please consider giving it the old thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe to the channel. Now it fills my heart with joy when I know that people are out there cooking the recipes that I'm showing on this channel. So if you are going to try this at home, please leave that comment down below. But also if you've got any thoughts, any questions, again leave that down below. I will always respond to somebody who's taking the time. But with that thought in mind, please go and check out this video where I show you the ultimate surf and turf guide. And finally, I'm also on Facebook and Instagram, please come find me on there. But until next video, keep safe, be happy, and I'll see you then.